Hi, I'm Rick Meehan, Mayor of Ocean City, Maryland. Thank you for visiting our virtual press kit. We hope you find this to be a helpful resource, as it's a great way for us to keep you up to date on all the exciting things happening in everybody's favorite beach town. We are thrilled to welcome visitors back to Ocean City this year. Our 10-mile beach is free and wide open, with new memories waiting to happen. It's a perfect place to reunite, reconnect with the ones you love. Whether it's a family vacation, a girls' weekend, a golf outing, a fishing trip, this is the town and this is the time to visit. We've got some amazing outdoor events happening in Ocean City this year, from our new drone shows at Northside Park and on the boardwalk at North Division Street, to the 14th annual Ocean City Air Show, to all the free, fun, family activities happening all summer long. We're working hard to keep these events and this town safe for everyone by following all Maryland and CDC guidelines. We'd also like everyone to be extra patient with our businesses as they work to reopen safely. Brighter days are here, and we hope everyone spends them in Ocean City, Maryland.